Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a little quick tip maybe that could help you if you are on 22H2 in Windows 11 and you want to have 23H2, you're supported, everything, and don't see it. Little trick that I will show you that apparently quite a few of you have been playing around with that and end up getting 23H2 through Windows Update. So when you're in Windows Update, one of the things that we have is that switch. It can be on, it can be off. I did mention in the last video that a couple of you have been telling me that you switched it off and you got 23H2, which is kind of funny. And some, on the other hand, got it, but with that turned on. So go figure. But if you are supported, you're on 22H2 and want to get 23H2 through Windows Update, what I've noticed is that some of you have turned this off. Some have turned it off, checked for updates, turned it on, checked for updates. And some of you have simply clicked the check update button, check for Windows Update button, several times. You don't see it first, try it 4, 5, 6 times in a row. Some of you have seen it only after 3 or 4 Windows Update checks for some reason. So just play with that. Play with the on-off button here of get the latest update. Play with the check for updates. And hopefully it will appear for you. From what Microsoft says is that there's really not a lot of people that shouldn't see it technically. So and it's because it's an enablement package and that pretty much every feature was rolled out before 23H2. I don't see much of a reason why you shouldn't get it pretty much now. But, you know, there's always exceptions to the rule. That definitely is the case. And it could be some mitigation also of Microsoft just like, you know, going slow at doing it. But do as I say. If you wish to have it now, just turn that switch off or on and click several times Windows Update to see if, check for updates to see if it shows up. Apparently for a lot of you, tweaking, playing around with that kind of got you 23H2. Once again, it's a pretty fast update. It's not a very big update because all the features are already there. It's an enablement package. Enablement package means it just will upgrade to 23H2, the build number. And it will, of course, also give you another thing is that it will switch on basically features that are already in there but that are sleeping. Everybody in the European Union, because I've got quite a few of you that have commented, European Union, you do not see Copilot. Remember that Copilot is not available right now in the European Union because of some regulations. It will eventually be there, but for now it's not showing up. But most of the other updates, features should be actually enabled in there. There's something also about a home version kind of Teams, and we're going to talk a little bit about that for the ranting period video that's coming up, because that is something that kind of, you know, one of those moments where Microsoft kind of needs to sit down and look at what they're doing, actually. So good luck if you wish to have it now, and of course, if you don't care, just leave all of it alone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.